if you're talking about one of the areas of activity, that's law. Well, the law of the white supremacists is white supremacy. So, it's a no-brainer that anything that they do in the courts and anything like that, if you have a white supremacist in there, now here again, I'm not talking about all the white people on the planet. I'm talking about those who have chosen to be white supremacists. So they do their thing. So when you have a legal system and the white supremacists are present, they are going to say this legal system is going to be about white supremacy. I don't care how you twist and turn it. At the end of the day, these non-white people are going to be at a disadvantage. All of these black, brown, red, and yellow people, whatever way you want to call them, if they are non-white, they are going to be at a disadvantage anytime they come before me or anytime they're in my presence. Why? Because they're supposed to be. That's what white supremacy is about. So I don't care how you twist it and turn it, shake it up and pour it. At the beginning and end of each day, the white supremacists are going to have the last word, and that means what? That the non-white person is going to be mistreated. That's what we do. We see to it that people of color are mistreated. And we see to it that we dominate them so that we can mistreat them. It's all about domination and mistreatment, mostly through confusion.